Hello, girls and boys again. Okay, now let's continue with fractions. Okay, let's do another example of addition. Okay, how about 2 over 5 plus 3 over, let's say, 7. Actually, it's 3 over 5. Again, 3 over 5. So we have the same denominator. We put it on the bottom here in the answer. This is the answer here. Okay. And we put it underneath on the denominator. And the top is also 5 on this example. So 2 plus 3. So this is 2 plus 3 equal 5 over 5, which is equal 1. So 5 over 5 equal 1. Let's do another example which doesn't have 5 over 5 or 3 over 3. Let's do 3 over 5 plus 2 over, actually, let's do 4 over 5. Okay, because I don't want the both of them are 5. Okay, so 5 here is the same, so we put it here in the answer, and then we add the top. 3 plus 4 is 7, and this is your answer. 7 over 5. 7 over 5. So this is the result of this addition of these two fractions. Okay, now that's only if we have the same denominator. Okay, how about subtraction of fractions? We have 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3. How's that? Same thing, we just subtract them. Okay, so the common denominator here is 3, because they're the same. And then we subtract 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. Okay, remember we subtract the top only the numerator, the top. 4 minus 2, we don't say 3 minus 3, only the top. And this is 4 minus 2 is 2, and the bottom is 3. So the answer is 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3 equal 4 minus 2 over 3 equal, what is 4 minus 2? 2. What is 3 here? 3 stays on the bottom, so it's 2 over 3. 2 over 3. Okay, that's subtraction. We're going to do another example of subtraction before we go to the multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, how about if we have 5 over 7 minus 4 over 7. Easy. Just put the 7 on the top, on the bottom, I'm sorry, because they are the same. Now, if they're different, it's gonna be different. We're gonna explain that in a few minutes. 7 stay the same, and this is 5 minus 4 equal what? 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1, and 7 stayed here. So 5 minus 5 over 7 minus 4 over 7 equal 5 minus 4 over 7 equal 1 over 7. So when this one here, you can say over, you can call it over or divided by or by. You can say by or over or divided by, same thing. So again, you can write it down. This line here is over or divided by or by. Same thing. You can have a second and write it down. Over, divided by, and by. All right, all right. Give me five, give me five. All right, all right. Are you guys awake? Give me five, give me five. Give me five again. All right. We are cooking. We are cooking now. We are in business. Now, we're moving on. We're moving on. So we got the fractions, addition, and multiplication and subtraction. If we have the same denominator on the bottom. Now, how about multiplication? Multiplication. Okay, multiplication of fraction. Okay, multiplication of fractions. If we have 3 over, let's say 4 times, remember this times is the symbol of multiplication, times, okay, times 2 over 6. Now remember, in this example, in multiplication, it doesn't matter what they're the same or not the same. How we do this? Very, very easy. You multiply 3 times 2 over 4 times 6. So 3 times 2 over 4 times 6. That's it. So you go to the book you have in your book in your hands. Zoom into math 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. I have 4 zoom into math books. So it depends what you bought or your parents bought. So you go to there and you get the schedule for multiplication. So in the schedule, which I'm hoping you memorize and read over and over until you memorize it like you memorize your own name. Very important. Okay, so it will be equal to 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 2 is 6. And 4 times 6 is 24. And that's your answer. 6 divided by 24. 6 divided by 24. That's the answer. Another example. How about, I'm going to give you a second to write it down. Are you write it down? All right, all right. Let's have an energy here. Let's keep going. Let's get the blood flowing. All right, all right. Give me 5 again. Give me 5. All right, all right. Now, another example. How about 2 over, stay awake for me, please. 2 over 5 times, let's say 3 over 7. How's that? Okay, again, multiply 2 times 3 and 5 times 7. That's it. 5 times 7. How much is that? 2 times 3 is 6. And 5 times 7 is 35. So this is your answer. 6 over 35. 2 times 3, 5 times 7. 6 over 35, your answer. 6 over 35. If you need to rewind it, rewind the video, you can. And that is your multiplication of fractions. 6 over 35. Simply multiply this by this over this by this. That's it. Very easy. Now, you got that written down? All right. Okay. Good job. How about division of fraction? division of fraction. Division of fraction is also easy, very easy. If we have a fraction like 8 over 9 divided by 3 over 4, how's that? 3 over 4. What do? You keep this the same, 8 over 9. We transfer this, we convert it, we invert it to multiplication sign, and then we flip this one on the top and this one on the bottom. So this 3 over 4 becomes 4 over 3. That's it. And then you multiply like regular multiplication. Again, you keep this, k, write it down, k, you keep this, keep the first part, change this, or invert, if you will, you change this, and then flip this. That's it. So 8 over 9 times 4 over 3 becomes 8 times 4 is 32. Let me do this. 8 times 4 over 20 over 9 times 3, which is equal 32 over 27. That's it. Let me do it in a neater way. 8 over 9 times 4 over 3 equal 32 over 27. 32 over 27. Okay. So this is how we divide fractions. Let's do 2 more examples. I'm going to give you a few seconds to write it down or look at it. 8 over 9, we change this into multiplication and then we flip this over. Now another way to do this is simply like this. 4 times 8 and over 9 times 3. So you can multiply this times this. Denominator of the second one times this divided by 9 times 3. So it's either way you can do this both ways. 32 over 27. 8 times 4 over 9 times 3 over 9 times 3. Okay, over 9 times 3. So the answer is 32 divided by 27. Okay, 4 times 8. Remember, you don't multiply 4 times 9 or 9 times 8 or 3 times 4, no. Only you have to do it mathematically, exactly as the rule says. So it's 4, this one, times this one, and this one times this one. Okay, that's another way to do the fractions. But I prefer to do it the first method we saw, because it's neater, just more mathematically. Okay, now let's do another example. How about 4 over 5 divided by 7 over 9. Okay, so it's very easy. 4 over 5 stays the same. keep it the same. Flip over here, F, and this is invert or change. So this becomes multiplication. This one becomes multiplication, but you have to flip this. 9 on the top and 7 on the bottom. That's how we divide. So the answer is 36 over 35.